Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine solution. To begin, you will need to gather a few key materials. This includes iodine crystals, potassium iodide, and distilled water. Accurate measurements are crucial for a successful preparation, so ensure you have precise measuring tools ready. Safety is also paramount, so prepare your personal protective equipment before starting any work. For our iodine solution, you will need 5 grams of iodine crystals. Additionally, obtain 10 grams of potassium iodide. This is essential for dissolving the iodine effectively in water. Before handling any chemicals, prioritize your safety. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection, to prevent any accidental exposure or injury during the process. Now, let's begin the mixing process. First, dissolve 10 grams of potassium iodide into 50 milliliters of distilled water. Stir this mixture until the potassium iodide is completely dissolved. Next, carefully add the 5 grams of iodine crystals to this solution. Continue stirring thoroughly until all the iodine crystals have fully dissolved, which may take a few minutes. Once the iodine is fully dissolved, dilute the solution to a final volume of 100 milliliters using additional distilled water. Mix gently to ensure homogeneity. For proper storage, transfer your newly prepared iodine solution into a dark, airtight bottle. This protects it from light and air, which can degrade the solution over time. Remember to label the bottle clearly with its contents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.